So hello everyone. Sorry, I promised that the video will come at 11:11, but we are late because that's how our homeschooling is also going. That sometimes some days we do, some days we don't, and that's the beauty of it. And for today's video, I will be doing a few questions that I received. Rather reactions that people have given me when I told them this is the path that I'm taking for my children's education, in along with my husband. So my son is going to pose those questions to me, and he's going to pose it in the language I've received them, and let's see, how I reply to them. Yes, you can ask Ruhan.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was sitting and smiling.
Okay. Right. Ask.
I mean, read.
Yeah, read the questions.
Okay.
What is
Also
the
testing my acting skills first? अरे स्कूल छोड़ाया पढ़ाई नहीं
Okay, his Hindi is sorry, very bad, but let him try. Yeah, please.
अरे स्कूल छुड़ाया पढ़ाई नहीं
कराएगी.
कराएगी.
हाँ मतलब
Now you guys will tell me, okay, in the comments below, just who writes R like this?
okay, all right.
R.
Okay.
She's written S.
Okay, fine.
I'm reading Kasaigi.
Okay, right. Ruhan, you have to remember that there is a limitation of time, for the video. So we have to be very quick. Jokes we have to keep on a side, okay?
I also have 10
Right.
minute videos.
Right, but let's stick to the point. People have, a lot of things to do, and if they are watching us, let them get to the point straight. Yeah, so the first question that I mostly got was, अरे स्कूल छोड़ा दिया, पढ़ाएंगे लिखाएंगे नहीं क्या? So my answer to that is yes, स्कूल छुड़ा दिया, लेकिन पढ़ाई लिखाई बंद नहीं कराई है. पढ़ाई लिखाई करेंगे, बस एक स्कूल की बिल्डिंग में नहीं भेजेंगे हम घर पे ही पढ़ाएंगे लिखाएंगे, जो हमें सही लगता है वो कराएंगे. सो येस, द आंसर टू द क्वेश्चन इज स्कूल डेफिनेटली छुड़ा दिया. स्कूल यानी द बिल्डिंग दैट दे यूज टू गो टू लर्न, बट पढ़ाई हम रोज़ करते हैं. कैसे करते हैं, क्या करते हैं, वो सब हम आपको आगे बताएंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
मगर डिग्री और सर्टिफिकेट्स का
क्या? हाँ, सो डिग्री, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट आई ऑफन गॉट वाज मगर डिग्री और सर्टिफिकेट्स का क्या? सो लेट मी टेल यू, फॉर मी, फॉर माई हस्बैंड, एंड आई एम श्योर अ लॉट ऑफ यू ऑल्सो अग्री दैट degrees and certificates are just piece of paper unless you actually are skillful in today's world. Okay, I know a lot of people who have degrees and certificates yet they have no job, or their IQ is not even up to, like, I would say, like a 5th standard child or so. Yeah, so degree and certificates are important. Like if you want to choose certain specific professions, you have to take that path, and I'm sure these people also will figure out how to get them like proper degrees and certificates, like if they decide to choose any of those professional careers. But right now we are not bothered about that piece of paper, because for us, what is important is our children should be knowledgeable, they should have the skills, they should be smart, and they should be happy. Yes, the next question please. Why you're acting like a retard?
कोई एग्जाम नहीं होगी, क्या होगा इनका?
कोई एग्जाम नहीं होगी, क्या होगा इनका? दिस इज द थर्ड एंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन विल डू फॉर टुडे, बिकॉज ही इज इन अ वेरी फनी मोड टुडे. ओके, राइट. सो या, एग्जाम्स से हमें कभी बच्चों के इंटेलिजेंस का पता नहीं चलता है. एग्जाम्स अनफॉर्चुनेटली जिस पैटर्न से इंडिया में हो रही हैं, दे जस्ट शो हाउ गुड the kids are at mugging up. I mean, obviously there are exceptions. There are kids who are really, like, talented, and I am not denying their existence, but maximum, if you see, it is just rote learning, meaningless learning. Like even a scholar guy, a person who would be topping his class in school or even board for that matter, you ask him to explain the concept and they will not be able to explain the concept. Okay, so yeah, first of all, exams pressurize, and we are not going to judge our kids on how well they are doing in a certain exam. I mean, till last year they went to school, and that is the parameter that I judge them all on, because that was expected of them because they were going to a traditional institution, and wherever whatever institution you choose to be a part of, you have to follow their rules, is what I feel. So yes, I judged them that time based on marks, and I was evaluating me and the school that they were going based on how well they were doing in their papers. But then I realized ki nahi, it is not about knowledge. They're not like, because of these exams I cannot find out whether they are actually, my kids are intelligent or not, or knowledgeable or not, or whether they are learning or not. But yeah, about exams, we have enrolled them in NIOS, which is National Institute of Open Schooling, and their centers have come in Symbiosis College, Pune, and they will be having one exam, like annual exam, for the whole term in the month of February. And they'll be following the NCRT pattern. So what I do is I teach them, I've downloaded the syllabus, NCRT syllabus, because that's what NIOS prescribes. So that plus what their friends are learning, ICSE, CBSE, all of that, whatever I feel is important concept, I'm teaching them all of that. तो yes, एग्ज़ाम होगी, लेकिन वो नाम के लिए होगी. मेरे लिए उसमें भी ये ज़रूरी नहीं होगा कि वो लोग कितने मार्क्स ला रहे हैं. उस एग्ज़ाम के सिलेबस से वो कितना सीख रहे हैं, या कितना इन्जॉय कर रहे हैं, या कितना कम प्रेशर ले रहे हैं. हैविंग सेड दैट, आई पुश देम बिकॉज you cannot leave the children totally, otherwise they will stop studying. Yes. Okay, so for today I think these 3 questions is what we are doing. If you have any more questions, please post the questions and we will answer them. You can ask questions to my husband as to what were his thoughts, when we decided this, and or my kids, you can ask them how they are enjoying this journey, and we will answer your questions. And अगर language भी आपको कोई चाहिए, हिंदी, मराठी, तो we are okay with that also. Thank you so much. And I know I said every day I'll be posting, but no, since I am also working, I take tuitions, I study myself, and I teach them. So I think 3 videos a week is a fair deal. So yes, we'll be posting soon if I have good content to share with you, or a good list of questions. Till then, bye bye, take care.